Imparting education is fundamental to carving out a promising future for the country. ICFI is a pioneer in quality, excellence and experiential learning. It has been nurturing young minds since 1984 and is consistently working towards developing the leaders of tomorrow. ICFI offers world-class and innovative professional postgraduate and undergraduate programs through inclusive technology-aided learning. This equips students with vital professional and life skills and also develops social sensitivity and a high sense of ethics among them.
ICFI has been pioneering professional education in India for about 3.5 decades now. As of now, we have been able to establish about 11 universities, 9 business schools, 7 tech schools and 7 law schools. All in all, it's about 20 campuses in 17 states. As you know, ICFI is into business management education, engineering, law, architecture, liberal arts, so on and so forth. Now, for the business schools, which is called ICFI Business School, we have about 9 business schools, as I said. The quality is to turn the students into responsible corporate citizens by having a largely pronounced tangible contribution consciousness, which means wherever they work, whether they work for themselves or whether they work for others, they will have to have 2 things. One is risk-taking and ownership. I think this defines completely about the characteristic features of the students who graduate from ICFI, and that's how they're going to be useful to the industry. ICFI, right from the word go, has been focusing on quality education, and quality comes from a different kind of commitment. Commitment to the curriculum that is useful to the society around as well as the industry. Now, when you don't have that commitment, a lot of things fall apart, and we have seen that. So ICFI has focused that the curriculum provided a journey for the students who ultimately proven their utility for the society as well as for the industry. I think that is what has won the game for us. We are very happy to share that ICFI Business School has been accredited by the prestigious AACSB, and we are the first business school in the country to have been accredited by AACSB for all its programs at undergraduate level, postgraduate level and the doctoral level, that is MBA, BBA and PhD.